Welcome back to the next video. In the last video we went through the basic services, those being the drummery, social community, the drum coaches directory, and the strategy sessions and one-on-one coaching sessions. Again, this can be activated and deactivated within the admin area of this site of your dashboard. Next, we're going to have a look at, we'll take a look at the drumming programs. We'll take a look at the useful tools. We'll miss the other programs. We'll create a complete video about that. Probably the next video about that. We'll take a look at the free mini course, and we'll take a look at your next best step. So let's take a look at the programs. Right, I'll explain again that all the prices that you see here are open to being changed. Before we go live with everything, everything will be at a good place. Everything will be re-edited and reformatted and everything. So we've got some questions here. What is the drumming foundation course? I'll let you read these questions, or the answers to these questions, and I'll try to mention where things aren't complete or where they're basically wrong. This will mostly be related to money. How long does the program take to complete? This may say 12 weeks. Yes, it does, 12 to 24 weeks, but it will be 12 months. I say 12 months, that we will deliver the content within 12 months, but here, you can see here that there's 6 lessons per module. Originally designed for 1 lesson per week. That's presuming that you didn't have any troubles with them, so it could take up to 6 or 8 weeks per module, which is fine, as long as once you've signed up, you will, or once your users have signed up, they will receive the modules anyway. If they can keep up with the weekly process, then that's great. But I mean, I just view this as being added value, to be honest with you. There's no, but having said that, there's no real need to complete each part. I mean, you can just spend the month doing lesson 1, and then from the module 2, spend the month doing lesson 1 again from module 2, and so on, right through the 12 months, and just do 1 lesson per week if you like. But that's up to each individual. Are there any discounts? Again, I mentioned the prices here, and these are open to change. But having said that, I want to touch on something that Dave Wettle said in an interview. It was basically about pricing yourself out of the market. When a drummer offers his services for next to nothing, he devalues the whole drumming universe. And so these aren't, I've started these at $47 per module. Now, I cannot, and I don't think anyone should view these as being cheap or devalued as a normal book. I mean, a normal book, these modules, each module is probably say 60 pages each module with 6 lessons in each. Now 6 lessons from a one-on-one tutor would probably cost $120, £120, $140, $50. And that's just for a £20 per hour teacher. And most teachers nowadays cost more than that. So the value in each module is far more than the price of a book. And so I originally published some of these books on Amazon. I did it for 2 reasons really. To try and see how big the market was. And although I didn't do stupendously well, I did sell 10, 15,000 books kind of a thing. But that is nothing, basically. That's just scratching the surface. But I tested the prices as well. And people go on Amazon to buy a cheap book, basically. And they expect it to be cheap, especially if it's by an unknown author, which really I am. And so my point is, the value of these modules is more than a book, more than you would get in a book. I don't think I've got it written anywhere, but if I recall that I do at any time during this video, I will show you what everything that's included. There will basically be, I can think of 3. There's basically the first module opens. For the first week, you'll get the main document. You'll also get access to the audio loader rather. So you can open the loader, type in exercise 1, and it will load exercise 1. Type in exercise 2, and it will load exercise 2. And then it plays those in a loop. So you can hear what each exercise sounds like, as well as see what it looks like on paper as a written exercise. But the main idea behind this is really to get to get the student to read the drum part, so that when they've completed all 12 modules of these modules, it can go on to more advanced and more focused books on jazz development or funk development, rock style development, and Latin development, and so on. So that's what they get on the first week. On the 3rd week, there will be a meeting. I've called it the Essence meeting. And I think I'm going to try and do them module based, where I basically discuss a theme for each one, each part, each module. But I'm not going to go into that much more than what I've just done. And on the 4th week, there will be a project where where the student will actually need to go into Drummery, the social community that we spoke about in the services section. It will go into Drummery, to his profile, add his video to a specific group for module 1, and from there he will receive feedback from any other users in the group, plus from one of the coaches, any of the coaches rather, as well as myself. So that's basically what a project is. But the project is you will need to record something and do a few tasks. So anyway, that's what each module contains minimum. And obviously there's other tools as well. but some of them will go into here on useful tools and so on. So let's take a look at the modules, and I'm going to click one of these. I shouldn't click one really, but I will click one to see where it, yes, it did have these pages. I've created a, what you might call a sales page, a sign up page for each one. See, the price is different here again, but these are just in development. So each one of these has a sales page, but that, like I say, that one is, it's not complete. That it's only half done. So each module contains those things I've just mentioned. Did I do this last question? Yeah, I don't think I did. So a user can either, from a visitor to your site, can either buy a one module at a time, or buy the whole program. And this image needs changing. I haven't created the image yet, but this is to sign up for the whole program. Again, I'm not going to go into that too much. I will go into it in more detail in a later video. So basically, that is the main program, the main 12-part program. And if you remember from the home page and the services page, down here, there is the coaching program, the strategy session. The strategy session is aimed at recruiting people, as a tool to recruit people into this program, into the main program. Again, take no notice of the prices. They're all wrong. Yeah, so that's all I need to say about that. That's the recruitment part. Is the strategy sessions is basically something that a partner will need to work up to. But like I said in an earlier video, there is training provided. So now let's go to the useful tools page. This is basically a metronome. This is the first iteration of this metronome. It's basically, you set your tempo, and then you set the number of minutes, set the timer, start the timer, and that will count down. And this is useful for doing such as stick control exercises, going through the stick control exercises, and for 2 minutes each, for example, and then moving on to the next exercise. After the 2-minute countdown, it says next exercise or something like that, or a sound, plays a sound. And then the next one, and this link doesn't work for this one at present, because I've just moved this from a different location into here. A 7-step goal setting workshop, basically. So for a 90-day goal setting workshop. You can say this, you can argue that this has got nothing to do with drums, and it kind of hasn't, but it's got to do with any part of life, any aspect of life. So I won't go into that much more than what I already have done. Now we'll talk about the free mini course. In the administration hub, administration site, for the partner site, there's a tool to create a mini course that comes out like this. It's a basic 5-module course, and I've just added some links. I've generated the course. I think I did one quick read through, and it's not too bad. It needs editing, like everything that is generated needs editing. So you can add links, external links, and you can add videos. I think I added a video. Yeah, you can add videos into this course as well. And so basically it's just a 5-module course. The rest of it, all these this is just text based, but you can add videos in it. And again, you can activate and deactivate this at your will. And there's like I say, there's the tool that generates it all for you based on your inputs, the outcome that you're trying to create, and the transformation you're trying to create within the user. This is currently free. Maybe this will become a paid product. It will always be free for the partners to use to develop a course, but it would be nice to be able to monetize it, because after you've put some work into creating the course and reading and editing it, it would be a good idea to be able to add videos and etc. to make it more valuable. Well, that's only a possibility. And now we'll go to the next step, the next best step. And I won't go through this completely. In the next video, I'll go through the other programs, and then I'll come back to this next step process. But I will mention what this is now. So once a user comes to your site, they can go through this process. It's there's some Q&As down here, the first 2 Q&As. What happens after I click the Get Started button? That means this one. It's little things like that. See it needs to be what happens after I click the Discover Your Best Next Step button. So let's have a look. And again, I won't read it. I'll let you pause the video to read it. What will I get after answering the questions? And these are the same 3 questions that are in the services for the strategy sessions down here. So that's it for this video. In the next video, as I've just mentioned, we'll go through the other programs, and we'll go through this process to see what the outcome it has. And I will say now that I've gone through this a few times, edited it, created it, but it still needs more work, more thought going into it. But by the time anyone signs up and actually becomes a partner, obviously all these problems that I'm mentioning will be solved. I was aware of them anyway, but as I'm recording these, I'm creating a task list for everything that I need to do. So in the next video we'll go through that, and we'll also touch on these links, and we'll talk about the contact page in the next video. And that will be the end of this series on the partner site. So until next time, I will catch you later. Bye for now.